here at Classic Ready Mix, we offer calcium and we offer the non-chloride accelerators. Calcium will bleach your concrete and it will eat your reinforcement, but it does work better. It gives you a faster drying time. So it's anytime you're pouring and you have any color slabs, any type of reinforcement in your concrete or any type of metal, you avoid calcium. NCA is a safer product. It will not bleach your concrete and it's safe to use with any reinforcement, and you just have to double up on it to get it to the concrete to dry as if using calcium. So use NCA if you're going to be doing a color pad or if it has reinforcement in it. So NCA and calcium, they are similar in cost, same cost per yard, but NCA you usually need to add a little extra to help dry it as fast as the calcium would. You can sometimes end up paying a little more because you need to double up on it.